Hello everybody, my name is Galileo Galilei, an Italian natural philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician. I was born in February 1564 at Pisa, Italy. My mother's name is Guida di Cosima Amanti, and my father's name is Vincenzo Galilei. I grew up with my brothers and sisters during the Italian Renaissance, and when I was 10 years old, I moved to the city of Florence. I attended the monastery school at Florence, and in 1581 I enrolled at the University of Pisa. And in 1588 I applied for the chair mathematician at the University of Bologna, but unfortunately I was unsuccessful. However, in a few years later I managed to reapply and I was successful. I like something that many people probably don't like in school, which is math. My favorite hobby is to invent and draw things. And I like to observe the solar system as my daily activity. My favorite book is Sidereus Nuncius, which is a short astronomical treatise. My favorite food is in Trattoria Balota. There is one thing that I don't like, which is things that aren't scientifically proven. I also dislike the Pope's opinion on science. I have faced many life challenges on my way to success. I had conflicts with the church, where my discoveries met oppositions with them. The death of my father and the debt he left. At the time, my university salary isn't enough, so I have to tutor people and sell my inventions. I also face problems that might be familiar to scientists today, such as finding fundings, securing patents, and dealing with publishing pressure. I also have to deal with my attention deficit disorder and learning disabilities. And through all the challenges I have made some famous major accomplishments, such as hydraulic balance, and a forerunner to the modern thermometer, which is invented by me. I was also credited for the innovations of improved military compass, I also discovered the foremost massive moon in Jupiter, and also brought up the Copernican system, which is a model of the solar system centered on the sun. Which led people to call me the father of observational astronomy. My success is not far from people who inspire me, such as Nicolaus Copernicus, a Renaissance polymath active as a mathematician and astronomer. In 1609, I heard that a telescope has been made in the Netherlands, and which was published by Nicolaus Copernicus, which inspired me to make one, which is a better version of it.